What if your smoothest Brazilian wax had very little to do with the wax itself, and much more to do with when you book it? Most people schedule waxing appointments randomly. But your body follows biological clocks that influence pain perception, skin sensitivity, and recovery. In this video, you'll learn how timing, guided by chronobiology, can support smoother results and a more comfortable experience. Stay with me, because this small shift can completely change how waxing feels. Welcome to MTH Health, where science meets practical self-care. This video is for educational purposes only and isn't medical advice. It's designed to help you understand how your body works, so you can make informed wellness choices. Let's explore what I call the chronobiology of smoothness. Chronobiology is the study of your body's internal timing systems. These biological rhythms influence many processes, including how we perceive discomfort, how skin repairs itself, inflammatory responses, and hormone activity. Your skin doesn't behave the same way every day, or even at every hour. When grooming choices align with these natural rhythms, the experience feels more balanced and predictable. That's the difference between guessing and working with your body. Hormonal changes throughout the menstrual cycle can influence how the body responds to stress and sensation. As estrogen and progesterone rise and fall, many people notice changes in skin sensitivity and discomfort tolerance. For many individuals, the days shortly after menstruation ends tend to feel more manageable. Estrogen levels begin to rise, making skin feel more resilient. In contrast, the days leading up to and during menstruation are commonly associated with increased sensitivity. This doesn't mean waxing should be avoided, it simply means that timing awareness can help set expectations. Planning with your cycle, rather than against it, is a form of self-respect. Your body also follows a daily circadian rhythm, a roughly 24-hour cycle that affects alertness, pain perception, and tissue recovery. Research suggests that late morning to early afternoon aligns with slightly higher pain tolerance, improved circulation, and more efficient skin recovery. Late evening appointments may feel different, especially when fatigue is higher and the body is winding down. These differences are subtle, but over time, subtle choices create noticeably better experiences. Timing works best when paired with thoughtful preparation. Here's a simple, skin-friendly pre-wax routine. Stay well hydrated the day before. Hydrated skin is generally more flexible. Gently exfoliate 24 to 48 hours ahead to support smoother hair removal. Avoid strong or sensitizing products before your appointment, and choose loose, breathable clothing afterward. Think of this as creating a smoothness window, where preparation and timing support each other. Your body's rhythms continue after the appointment. Post-wax care plays a key role in how skin settles and recovers. Support the skin during its natural repair phase by minimizing heat, friction, and irritation right after. Resume gentle exfoliation days later to help reduce ingrown hairs. When aftercare aligns with your body's natural cycles, recovery often feels calmer and more predictable. Waxing stops feeling rushed or stressful, and becomes a more intentional form of self-care. Smooth skin isn't about pushing through discomfort. It's about awareness, timing, and working with your body. Chronobiology doesn't complicate self-care, it simplifies it. If you found this perspective helpful, consider liking the video, subscribing to MTH Health, and sharing it with someone who values thoughtful, science-informed wellness. Your body already follows a rhythm. Now you understand how to listen to it.